Did you know that over the past year, content marketing has gone from a niche strategy to one of the most important advertising methods for companies? This explosive growth in demand for video content is creating incredible opportunities for aspiring video editors. But how can you stand out in such a competitive job market and land the job you want quickly? Becoming a hired video editor quickly relies on your ability to stand out. Many beginners face obstacles like lack of experience or overwhelming competition. You may feel discouraged when you see impressive portfolios and wonder how you can compete with them. There's a trick that can help you overcome these challenges and get hired quickly. Create free video samples for YouTubers you admire. This ingenious strategy allows you to demonstrate your practical skills, build a relevant portfolio, and catch the attention of potential clients or employers. Here's how it works. Identify YouTubers in your niche. Find raw or unedited footage of them, podcasts or old videos. Download the footage and edit it in a more engaging way, respecting the YouTuber style and branding. Contact the YouTuber via email, Twitter, and DM, briefly introducing yourself and attaching the free video sample. Here's how it works. The key moment this trick makes a difference is when the YouTuber watches your video sample and is impressed with the quality of your editing. A portfolio with concrete examples of your work is much more convincing than a simple list of skills. Sam P. Dunn, a successful video editor, used this strategy to secure his first client with over 1 million subscribers in just 3 weeks. He emphasizes the importance of creating high-quality video samples that demonstrate your passion and talent. In short, to get hired quickly as a video editor, focus on creating free video samples for relevant YouTubers. Invest time and effort into producing quality content and reach out to potential clients or employers, showcasing your skills. This strategy can propel you forward in your video editing career. What do you think of this trick? Leave a comment below and let me know if you would try it. Subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips. And don't forget to watch my next video, where I'll be discussing how to build an attractive online portfolio.